welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samira Danae, and I'm back with another freaking video or whatever. So I am starting off this vlog super late. It is currently, wait, where's my phone? Wait, I forgot I'm vlogging off my phone because my camera is dead. So Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:29 p.m.
So it's 5:30 p.m. I'm just now picking up the camera. I'm about to go do a little workout. I'm going to take a walk first, and then I'm going to do some leg exercises. Then I'm going to come back in the house. I'm going to be cooking with you guys. I'm going to be making Chinese food because you know the Chinese stores are closed since this whole coronavirus pandemic going on. So your girl is going to attempt to make some Chinese food. So I went to the market. I got the ingredients I needed. So I'm going to do that after my workout. So we're about to head outside. We're about to get this workout in. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna get cleaned up, and then we're gonna cook. So that's basically what I have on the agenda today for this vlog. I haven't vlogged in so long, so I decided to vlog today and bring the gang along with me. So let's go. I have to get my keys, and then we're gonna head outside for a workout. Got my water. Actually, I gotta take the trash out first and then head to my workout. So let's go. Back. I am all fresh and clean. I just got out the shower, so I'm about to start cooking this Chinese food. I'm making shrimp and broccoli. So I have all my ingredients sitting right here, so we're about to get to it. I'm going to be following along with this recipe I found on Google. I'm going to put that recipe in the link. I'm going to put the recipe in the description below so you guys can make this dish if you're interested. So I'm about to show you all the ingredients I have. Here are my ingredients. I have brown sugar, flour, jasmine rice, broccoli. I have some shrimp which are already deveined. I just have to take them out the shell. Some canola oil, rice vinegar, oyster sauce, seasoning salt, onion powder, ginger, minced garlic, Mrs. Dash, crushed red peppers, and I have a little thing of soy sauce because you don't need a lot, so I didn't want to buy a whole bottle, so I'm going to be using this little packet. So I'm about to see what is the first step on the recipe. So it says in a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice wine vinegar, brown sugar, ginger, garlic, cornstarch, and set it aside. So I'm about to mix all of those ingredients into a bowl, and I'm going to set that aside for our sauce. So guys, I got my sauce. Everything is being mixed together in this bowl, and this is what it looks like. So the next step is to cook the shrimp. So I gotta take the skin off of my shrimp, season those, cook those, and then add my broccoli to the pan once the shrimp is cooked. So that's what I'm about to do now. So now I'm about to season up the shrimp like the recipe says, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of cornstarch. Well, not cornstarch, flour, because I don't got cornstarch. I'm going to be adding a little bit of that to the shrimp as well. So I'm going to take a little bit, and I'm going to get a spoon, a teaspoon, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of this over the shrimp. I'm going to mix it up. So actually, before I put the shrimp on, I'm going to be putting on this rice now. Boo boo, this is not regular rice, this is jasmine rice. This is what the Chinese stores use, so this is going to make the dish really taste like it's from the Chinese store. So I'm about to wash my rice, and then I'm going to put my rice on, let that cook. Then I'm going to make the shrimp and then the broccoli. So yeah, about to put the rice on. So the rice is on. It says to leave it on for 15 minutes. So I'm about to set a timer for 15 minutes on my phone for the rice. All right, the timer is set. So now I'm gonna move on to the shrimp. They're already seasoned right here. And I'm gonna add my oil, then the shrimps to a saucepan. Let the shrimp get done, then I'm gonna add my broccoli. So this is what the shrimp is looking like. I'm about to add the broccoli in and let that cook. Last step says to stir in the soy sauce mixture until well combined and let it thicken for about 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm about to add my sauce. So I'm about to add my sauce. And I'm gonna let it get thick. Here's the final product of my shrimp and broccoli. Looks so good. So y'all, I'm about to taste this food on camera. Let's see how it tastes. Get some rice with a shrimp and some broccoli. This right here is popping, okay? Like Chinese store who? Chinese store who? Period. So I'm about to pour me something to drink. Let me put y'all on to something. This right here, baby, this is cranberry, strawberry, ocean spray, and honey. This juice right here is the best juice ever. This and white cranberry peach are my fave. So don't say I ain't never put y'all on to nothing. Go to the store, try this juice, comment below, let me know how y'all like it. It was so good. I'm sitting here, I'm smoking my hookah, and I'm watching TV. So I'm about to chill for the rest of tonight. If y'all hear that loud noise in the background, that's my dishwasher. But anyway, I'm about to chill for the rest of the night, so I wanted to come and close out this vlog. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, join the gang or whatever. And I'm gonna try to put out videos more consistently. Your girl finally got her own laptop, so I can really like record and edit in the same day and like really record a whole lot of videos. So be sure to let me know what type of content you guys want to see. I'm gonna put the recipe that I made for the shrimp and broccoli in the description below. So like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys, peace.